is a 37 Ford 5-window coupe, 1937. It's got a cool mural on the side of Yosemite Sam too. Take a look at this. Got Yosemite Sam's eyes in here too. That's a nice setup there on the top. I think that's not stock at all, the way that's set up with the radiator reserve on the top like that. It's probably all custom made or something. And here we got Yosemite Sam. Check out that mural, man. That's freaking wild, ain't it? Chasing after Bugs Bunny or chasing after a bunny. Yeah, look at that. You got the bullets in there too, man. Wow, cool. You got this 6-shooter. Got the bullets. I don't think I did this one before, man. I don't think I did this one. That's cool. You got open carry going on with this thing here, man. You got this thing right there. It's got clear that traffic jam.
Right, anyway. Right. That's the rumor. That's the rumor.
And you see the taillights are all like very well hidden. It's one way to get rid of the taillights without still being legal, without being illegal, still being legal. Endless Summer. And that plate goes with that very well. And you got the same mural. That's a few bucks for that mural, that's for sure. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I've seen this one here before. I saw some other ones with, Warner Brothers cartoon. Oh, here's one right here. Yosemite Sam.